What is indefinite integral of e raised to minus 2x by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. In that case, to solve this integral, we may apply so-called u-subtraction method. We do it in order to modify the integral in the way that enable us using some known formulas for finding integrals. In our case, we substitute expression in power. We say u is equal to minus 2x. We also have to know what is the derivative of u. So we write derivative of u equals to d minus 2x. From rules that we can apply to derivatives, we know that derivative of minus 2x equals minus 2 multiplied by derivative of x, as minus 2 is constant value. Thus, we have du equals minus 2 dx. But what we want to have is exact expression that we insert to our main solution instead of dx. So, after division of both sides by minus 2, we've got du divided by minus 2 is equal to dx that we were searching for now. Let's make use of our u. We insert u instead of minus 2x in the power of our main equation, and instead of dx, we now use expression with our substitute variable u, which is du divided by minus 2. We have now integral of e raised to u by du divided by minus 2. Next, we try to modify our main equation to the form which enables using some known formulas for solving integrals. First, let's multiply e raised to u by minus half, and in that way we get rid of division by minus 2 in denominator in our main equation. Then, knowing that integral of a multiplied by s by ds, where a is some constant, equals a multiplied by integral of s by ds. We may apply it to our equation. In our case, s is e raised to u and a is minus half. Perfect. Now we can apply formula which says integral of e raised to s by ds equals e raised to s. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solutions taken into account, as our solution make whole class of function, not a single one. In our case, s is u, and we've got in our main equation minus half multiplied by e raised to u plus constant c. But it is not the end of our solution. We have to come back to our problem, and it was formulated using variable x. We use u substitution, and now we have to come back to x. So instead of u, we now insert minus 2x. We've got minus half multiplied by e raised to minus 2x plus constant c as a result of our problem. Finally, indefinite integral of e raised to minus 2x by dx is equal to e raised to minus 2x plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.